In this Sintra AI review, find out how you can hand over the boring yet necessary tasks such as social media management to AI automation helpers and allow yourself to have more time for things like your brand's strategy, growth, or creativity. If I've already caught your attention, do not waste any more time. Scan this. Now, first things first, before I show you how to use Sintra AI, we need to choose a plan. Let's take a look. As you can see, there are two main options, either a one dedicated AI assistant or X plan, which includes all 12 of them. Since in this Sintra AI tutorial, I want to test a few different assistants, and it's a way better deal to take 12 rather than, let's say, only 2, I'll go with an X plan. By the way, you can find in the description the same Sintra discount code that I used to purchase this plan. Take a look, I bet you'll be pleasantly surprised. Now, once you've purchased a plan and are logged in, you need to create your profile as I did here. Have you noticed that Sintra lets you create up to 5 profiles? In my opinion, it is a very generous deal for AI tools for business. Once your profile is set, Sintra will guide you through a short onboarding process. Think of this step as creating or presenting your brand book, a single, structured place where you define your tone, goals, and essential information. You can type in details, add links to your website, or even upload files. The more precise that you are here, the smarter Sintra's Brain AI becomes. It might take a little longer to complete, but that is part of the value. By going through these questions, you're building the shared vault of the core set of rules and key info your AI helpers will act on every single time. Unlike a human team, they will never forget a detail. Once the brain is set up, your assistants will always work based on it, consistently, automatically, and at scale. Oh, and while you're at it, you'll probably end up sharpening your own vision of the brand as well. The next step is making sure Sintra can actually put all that information to work. This is where integrations come in. Think of it as moving from defining your strategy to actually connecting the pipes so that Sintra AI helpers can execute tasks on different platforms. To connect an integration, go to the Brain AI page and choose a profile. Find the Integrations section, select the integration you want to connect, follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once it's done, your helpers can start doing things such as post on your social media, send emails, book calendar events, and much, much more. Now that our AI tools are set, let's go to the main dashboard. Here is where you'll meet your full crew: Soshie, Penn, Commet, and the rest, each specializing in a different area, from automating social media posting to handling SEO and beyond. It's a smart structure because it keeps tasks neatly divided, making it easier for you to stay organized. The interface itself is clean and easy to navigate, with clear labels and a consistent character design. They look like cute little helpers, yet they still manage to appear professional and trustworthy with a serious look in their eyes and sleek suits that give them a nice futuristic edge. The color palette is playful, but in my opinion, a bit limited. Some shades are quite close, so at a glance, a few helpers can sort of blend together and be mistaken. That said, there's more to these helpers than just their looks. Each one comes with a set of use cases designed for specific tasks. We'll take a closer look at some of them in just a moment. Helpers are also proactive, scanning for improvements and sending you notifications when something useful comes up. Those can be found in the Notification Center. Let's start the actual Sintra AI review by looking closer at the helpers. You can easily tailor each one's behavior by heading to the gear icon in the helpers interface. There, you can tweak response length and tone, choosing between basic, casual, or expert. Add custom instructions to match your workflow. Extra context can also be shared by uploading files directly into the chat. Helper Soshie is your Sintra AI social media post specialist. She covers everything from content strategy and creation to scheduling posts and tracking analytics. You can plan campaigns, write captions, use templates and media libraries, and most importantly, post directly on such platforms as LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram without ever opening the apps. No extra tools needed. Let's try working with her. Say I run a health products brand. To keep visibility on Instagram and Facebook, I need to post a mix of tips and product highlights regularly. I just tell Soshie what I need, and she generates the post with visuals that I've already added to the project's brain, or I can use Sintra's image generator to create new ones. Then I review, tweak if needed, and voila, she schedules everything automatically. And I can always check the content calendar to see what's coming up. Soshie also has some useful use cases. That said, go ahead. Use my coupon code by clicking the link below and let Soshie write some posts for you just like I did. Just don't be too surprised once you see how much time she will save for you. Soshie's only downside is that her list of integrations isn't huge yet, though it seems that the team is continuously expanding what's available. Let's say you need more in-depth writing, but you would rather spend your time developing your business project. That's where Penn comes in, a copywriting guru who can craft blogs, write advertorials, and product ads. In our case, we created an advertorial for our imaginary Amazon shop by clearly formulating our exact needs. Penn was able to craft compelling hooks and get straight to the point. Although, in my opinion, it took a bit of time until Penn fully understood what I needed. But that's the reality with all AI tools. Prompting them correctly and efficiently is a skill in itself. But if you'll take this process as a way to deepen your understanding of your brand's needs, then the time is well spent. Either way, I would still list Penn as one of the best AI tools for saving time. Try it for yourself by assigning your writing tasks to Penn via this link below, and don't overpay while you're at it. Speaking of growth, Commet is here to help you scale your health-focused or any other type of e-commerce project. Imagine that you've launched a website and now you need to fill it with relevant details and have a neat-looking, straight-to-the-point landing page or portfolio. Well, guess what? Commet can expertly write product descriptions and landing pages, calculate margins for products, and analyze your Shopify store for insights. That's not all. If you're looking to kickstart your e-commerce business, or if you already have one up and running, Commet will help to maintain and improve it. Pretty neat, right? Now, unfortunately, in this Sintra AI tutorial, there is not enough time to go in detail through all the helpers, since there are so many. But that doesn't mean that they aren't worth checking out. Our honorable mentions go to Xiaomi, amazing for optimizing blogs and websites for SEO. Cassie, while customer support is still best done with a human touch, she can help you handle the initial customer inquiries load. Millie, if cold emailing isn't your thing at all, sales representative Millie will do that and much more for you, boosting your sales and outreach. If you're interested in us going into more detail on each of them, let us know in a comment down below and we'll cover them in our next video. To sum up, Sintra AI has really impressed me with its abundance of helpers and their useful features, followed by use cases, not to mention the intuitive, user-friendly interface that they perform in. Of course, getting a grip on efficiently using the helpers might take some time, but on the other hand, you'll also be deepening your understanding of your brand's core. Let us know if you'd like to see more on Sintra in the comments down below. Again, thanks for watching this Sintra AI guide. Don't forget to subscribe and of course, use our coupon code to cut down the price. I'll see you in our next video.